Tai Yong Seng. So today I'll show you how to check your declaration or expenses report in the FoodZaps. Thank you.
Normally, you will add your own pay-in, payout in the FoodZaps. So for example, you click add it here. Let's say 20 ringgit for buy ice. And sometimes, maybe you got spending money and using the petty cash. And all this record you can refer to the ABOS FoodZaps. Very simple. Okay, first go to our website, which is ttechsolution.com.my. Then when you access our website, go to the search and type FoodZaps Declaration Report. Then just click search. Click on the first result. Then you will access in here. So you can see there's a script to download. Click on it. So this is the script, and just select all and copy. Then log into your ABOS account and make sure all of your data from the tablet has backup to cloud. Then go to the setting, scroll near the bottom. You'll see there's a script to post-process the data. So just paste on it and then just click Save File. It shows that save settings successful. Go to the outlet data, click on the inventory, and select to your outlet. Just click Save Change, click on the data, select on the period, then click on the new report, and select Declaration Report. Then you have this kind of data. Click on the declaration column and untick it and only select for your float and the payment out. Then you click apply. Then you should have your own declaration report at here. Other than that, you also can click export in Excel or PDF. For more, you also can check on the date, the reference number, the amount and the comment. That's all for today. Thank you.
So, cari post system, cari asing.
Find Guinness Post, find
asing.
找post system, 找asing.